621 horsepower, 627 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, 190 miles per hour, and 5 seats for the whole family. The 2026 Audi RS7, the most practical supercar ever built. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Launch Rev USA. Today, we have the 2026 Audi RS7 Performance right here in glacier white metallic overlooking the lake. And I have to say, this is one of those cars that genuinely stops me in my tracks every single time I see it. The RS7 is the car that does everything. Family car on Monday, racetrack weapon on Saturday, and on every single day. One of the most beautiful cars in the world. Let's get into every detail. Let's start outside, because the 2026 RS7 in glacier white metallic is absolutely stunning. Audi themselves call this car a 5-door coupe, and when you see it in person, you understand exactly why. That roofline sweeps dramatically from the A-pillar all the way to the rear in one long, flowing coupe-like arc. It is elegant, it is athletic, and it is unlike anything else in this segment. Up front, that broad honeycomb black grille dominates the nose. The Audi 4 Rings badge sits centered. Sharp matrix LED headlights frame the grille on each side, shooting laser-sharp beams across the road at night with a signature light pattern that is immediately recognizable as Dudium. The RS7 badge sits on the front fender, red lettering on white paint, and tells anyone who knows what they are looking at that something very serious is happening underneath this elegant body. On the side, that perfect coupe sedan silhouette, long hood, short overhangs, sloping roofline, and those 5-spoke dark alloy wheels, 21 inches standard, optional 22, filling those muscular arches perfectly. And behind those wheels, red brake calipers, on glacier white, one of the most striking color combinations in any performance car. At the rear, the RS7 badge sits on the lower left. The Audi 4 Rings badge is centered above the trunk. Full-width LED taillights stretch across the entire rear, connected by a light bar that creates a signature glow at night. And below, those twin oval exhaust outlets, or with the optional sport exhaust in black tips, sitting low in the aggressive rear bumper. The retractable rear spoiler rises automatically at speed, generating the downforce this car needs when you are pushing it toward 190 miles per hour. The 2026 Audi RS7 is the definition of a wolf in sheep's clothing. It looks like a luxury grand tourer. It drives like a race car, and nobody outside this window will ever suspect what it can really do. Now let's talk about the engine, because this is where the RS7 genuinely shocks people. Under that long, sculpted hood sits a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8. The same basic architecture Audi has been perfecting for years, but completely reworked for the RS7 Performance with a new turbocharger design, reprogrammed engine computer, revised camshafts with new exhaust valves, and more efficient intercooler heat exchangers. Total output? 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.3 seconds. Top track speed, 190 miles per hour. Edmunds tested this car on their track, and it pulled 1.0 G on the skid pad, matching dedicated sports cars. Our Edmunds testers said, "The acceleration gives you vertigo." That is not a review. That is a warning. That power goes through an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic gearbox, one of the smoothest in any performance car. And then to all 4 wheels through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system with sport rear differential. The rear differential actively distributes torque between the rear wheels in real time, giving the RS7 a rear-biased, playful character through corners that completely contradicts its elegant appearance. The RS-tuned adaptive air suspension has 3 modes: comfort, auto, and dynamic, each completely transforming the character of the car. In comfort, it floats over road imperfections with remarkable serenity. In dynamic, it firms up dramatically, and the RS7 attacks corners with a precision and a flatness that is genuinely astonishing for a car of this size and weight. Audi Drive Select gives you 6 individual profiles: efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, RS Mode 1, and RS Mode 2. Each profile adjusts the throttle, gearbox, suspension, and steering simultaneously. RS Mode 2 is the full attack setting, and in this mode, the RS7 is as focused and as aggressive as any dedicated sports car you will ever drive. Optional ceramic composite brakes are available, and in Edmunds testing, they stopped this car from 60 miles per hour in just 107 feet with 0 fade. That is supercar stopping power. Step inside the 2026 Audi RS7, and this interior is exceptional. Everything is finished in black. Black Valcona leather sports seats with RS honeycomb contrast stitching, black headliner, black dashboard, and running through the entire cabin, carbon fiber trim panels that are genuine exposed carbon weave, not printed or wrapped. They look extraordinary against the black leather. Those RS sports seats grip you firmly from both sides, wide bolsters, aggressive lateral support, and a low seating position that puts you exactly where a performance car driver should be. Heated, ventilated, and 12-way power adjustable is standard. Look at that dashboard. The Audi MMI twin-screen infotainment system, an upper 10.1-inch touchscreen for navigation, audio, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a lower 8.6-inch touchscreen that handles climate control, seat heating, and vehicle settings. That lower screen has the best haptic feedback of any touchscreen in any production car. Every input responds with a satisfying, precise click that makes it an absolute pleasure to use. The 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus instrument cluster is fully customizable. In RS modes, it displays a large central rev counter with performance data surrounding it. G-force meter, lap timer, boost pressure, torque output, all right in front of you. That steering wheel is flat-bottomed and wrapped in Alcantara, with RS badge, paddle shifters, and drive mode controls, all exactly where your hands naturally fall. It is one of the finest steering wheels in any luxury performance car. Blue ambient lighting runs along the base of the dashboard and through the door panels, and in the optional RS design package in blue, the stitching on the seats and steering wheel also picks up that blue theme, tying the entire interior together perfectly. Now, if you are watching Launch Rev USA right now and you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Every single day, we bring you cars exactly like this RS7, the world's most incredible machines reviewed completely and honestly. Do not miss what is coming next. The Bang & Olufsen 19-speaker 3-dimensional premium audio system is available, and it fills this cabin with a soundstage that makes every journey feel like a private concert. Safety technology is comprehensive. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, surround view camera system, and night vision with pedestrian detection. 5 seats, genuine adult comfort in all positions, and with the rear seats folded, the hatchback rear opens to enough space for 2 bicycles. This car is genuinely daily drivably practical. Now, how much does the 2026 Audi RS7 cost in the USA? The 2026 Audi RS7 Performance starts at $133,995, including destination. With options, ceramic brakes, sport exhaust, RS design package, 22-inch wheels, and carbon exterior package, you are looking at around $150,000 to $160,000 fully configured. And new for 2026, all RS7 models now come standard with Audi's Signature Care, complimentary scheduled maintenance for the first 3 years or 30,000 miles. That adds real value to an already outstanding package. Compare that to the Mercedes-AMG GT63 starting at around $200,000, or the BMW M8 Gran Coupe at around $170,000. The RS7 delivers comparable or superior performance with 5 seats and a hatchback at a significantly more accessible price. This is genuinely one of the best value performance cars in the world right now. The 2026 Audi RS7 Performance Glacier White Metallic, 621 horsepower twin-turbo V8, 627 pound-feet of torque, 3.3 seconds to 60, 1.0 G on the skid pad, 190 miles per hour, quattro all-wheel drive, sport rear differential, 5 seats, hatchback practicality, carbon fiber interior, virtual cockpit plus, Bang & Olufsen audio, starting at $134,000. Edmunds called it a super hatch. Car gurus said it performs like a near supercar, and after standing next to it in glacier white overlooking this lake, I would say the RS7 is simply the most complete performance car money can buy right now. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button and subscribe to Launch Rev USA for daily reviews of the world's most incredible cars. Drop a comment below. 2026 Audi RS7 or BMW M8 Gran Coupe? Which 4-door performance machine wins? Let me know. I will catch you in the very next one.